हेलो गाइस। तो कैसे आप सभी लोग। तो गाइस आज हम बात करने वाले सेकंड आज हम जो हम सॉल्व करने वाले सेकंड लैब। ओके, सो जो स्पोर्ट्स डेटा एनालिसिस चैलेंज है क्विक लैब का, इसकी से जो सेकंड लैब आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, सो अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता इस चैलेंज के बारे में तो आप लोग हमारे चैनल पर देख सकते हो। हम लोगों ने इसके ऊपर पहले एक वीडियो बना चुके हैं। ओके, सो let's start this lab. Okay, so let me first read it out what this lab is all about. So bracketology with Google machine learning. Okay, so this one is okay. Overview. In this lab you will predict the winner of NCAA. Okay, so in the first lab what we do, we analyze data of NCAA public. It's a public data set. Okay, so we analyze it, run some queries like who win after 2010 and who is the best performer of 2015. Okay, so if you don't watch the previous one, I request please go and watch the previous one, then come again. I will solve this lab. Okay, so now next. Okay, in this lab you will predict the winner of NCAA men's game using BigQuery machine learning and see. Oh, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna predict who will win the next match. Okay, using BigQuery and machine learning. So BigQuery and machine learning both we is PQML. Okay, BigQuery machine learning. So now what we will do, what we have to do, use BigQuery access. Okay, so first of all we have to access the NC dataset. This task we already did. Okay, so prerequisites fundamental level lab. Okay, before taking it we should experience some SQL language keywords. Okay, yeah, so without wasting time let's go ahead and click on start lab. We'll see what happen after that. Okay, so here is some traffic lights. This one, this one, this one, yeah, this one. Motorcycle, this and this. Verify. Okay, so now again, just wait a second guys. Okay, so here are some basic tips. Let me click on open Google Console. Let me kill this one. Okay, leave. Okay, enter. Let me copy the password. Okay, so password is copied. Enter, paste. Now again what we have to do, BigQuery Console. Open BigQuery Console from navigation bar, BigQuery. Okay, BigQuery, and then what after that, and okay, let me first open navigation bar. Where is BigQuery? So here is BigQuery. Double click on it. Okay, from Google Navigation BigQuery, click the to take yourself to beta UI. Okay, BigQuery. Yeah, if you click on expand node next to your project, you won't see any databases or tables there because these have not added to your project. Luckily, there are tons of open public project. Okay, okay. Again, what we have to add this one, BigQuery public dataset. What is this? So it's already added in. Okay, in my one. So if it's not added in your lab, you can add it. Okay. If you did the previous lab, you already know about it. So let me go forward. Okay, so click on BigQuery public data. Okay, BigQuery public data and see first result or revalidate all tables. Give me a second guys, let me pick up this call. Okay, so let's continue guys. Now what we have to do is where we left here. Okay, so now again right to query to determine available seasons and games. Okay, so we have to run this query. What's our task? Our task is to run this query. Okay, so compose new query, control V. Okay, cancel, run. Okay, so after running this query our result will be, yeah, we got the desired one. Test your understanding. The following multiple choice questions are used to reinforce this. How enzymes are available for us? Okay. So, what's the answer? Okay. So 33 is the correct answer. Okay. So now next. Okay. How far back in time does the data? Okay. So 1985. Okay. So now next, what we have to do? Question, more question. Yeah. I'll end the lab. Okay. Understand the machine learning features and labels. Okay. Uh, Test your understanding. Okay. Then go to the lab. Okay. Okay, for historical training data sets, yes, true. Okay, for future prediction, we know the correct answer for all labels. 8. False. Okay, so create a labeled machine learning data set. Okay, or labeled column. Okay, for each specific basketball game, the data set has one row. Okay, so again, after inspecting the data set, you will notice that the row. Okay, so what we have to do here is uh, we need to break the single game record into a record for each team, so we can label each row as winner or loser. Okay, so for this, run this query. Yeah. Okay, so winner or loser. Okay, so here is our data. Okay, so now next. Okay, why should we not use the point scored win PTS? Okay, okay, so some more questions. Please do create a machine learning model to predict the winner based on seed and team name. Okay, now that we explored, it's time to train a machine learning model using your best judgment. Answer the question below to orient yourself with this section. What type of machine learning model should we build to knowing our goal is to game outcome either win or lose? We should build a classification model to predict whether we can. So choosing a model for yeah, we choose classical classification model. Now next what we have to do is we have to create our own data set. Mm, oh, oh, such a big one this guys. Okay, so let me pause it. So now let's move forward. What is our next task? So creating a machine learning model with BigQuery. Oh yeah. Okay. So, okay. To create classification model in BigQuery, we simply need to write a SQL statement, create model, and provide few options. Okay. So okay, create data set. Okay. So let me click on this. Create data set. Project ID. Name. Uh, Control C. कॉपी कर लेंगे इसे यहाँ से. Okay, dataset ID, control V, then next leave other as default. Okay, click on create dataset. Okay, now run the following command in the query editor. Okay, okay, so copy this one, compose an inquiry, control V, run this one. Okay, so next click on go to model button, right side of the console. Okay, go to model to right side of console. Did I missed something? Oh shoot. Okay, go to model. Here, oh, here we are. Okay, so this task is also completed. Now next what we have to do, see what the model learned about features. Okay, so now we have to check our model. Okay, so control A, then V, then run. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we got our results. Hmm. Yeah, now evaluate model performance. The value will be 69%. Evaluate. Okay, so again control A, V, run. Okay, so now next what we have to do, so what do you think we could do to improve our model accuracy? Our data only looks. So now next what we have to do, guys, let me tell you one thing. I never learned about machine learning. Okay, I just know overview of it. So because of that my answers are wrong. Okay, making prediction is simple as calling Mr. ML.predict on machine. Yeah, now we have to make a prediction. Control A, V, run this one. Okay, so yeah, we got our result. Okay, why could we bring back the data columns for win? Okay, so what's our next task? Okay, so run this query. Control A, V, run. Now see what we have to do next. Okay, using skillful ML model. What is a shortcoming for our first model? Let it be a blind one. Waivers. Okay, again run this query. So now next what we have to do. Okay, so check this one. Yeah, preview the feature. We don't want to preview. Go. So now train the new model. Copy this one. Control A. Then oh sorry, control. Okay, I just clicked on C by mistake. Okay. So now next what we have to do. Evaluate the new model's performance. Again we are evaluating this one. Control A, V. Where is the run button? Oh shoot. Okay, so the previous one is still Okay, so again we have to run this previous query. So let me pause the video and solve this one. I will be back after this. So guys, we can do nothing about it. For time being we are just ignoring it. So after that, where is this one? Okay, so I ran this command. Okay, just so you can run this. Let me click on check my progress. Yeah, this done. Now let me see if there is any task. Okay, so let me copy this one, prediction time, and oh shoot, again. And paste it here. Okay, yeah, so check my progress. Okay, so prediction analysis. Let me see if there is any task we have to do. Yeah, nothing. Run queries to create table NC tournament and NC tournament prediction. Okay, so ignore. So no, not this one, this one. Okay, AV label null. Okay, so again this one command. I just hope we ignored a lot of commands, but still let's see if it gonna work or not. Okay, so okay, we have to make predictions also. So let me run this one. The video is already too long. Okay, so I'll try to make it short. Yeah, completed. Get your prediction. Let me see. Okay, so first of all let me check again if any task is left or I completed all of them. So here is our first completed. Okay, no, yeah, this one also again. So okay, so finally end this lab. I have to say this one is lengthy one. So let me end this video. Okay, and thanks for watching guys.